Here, a unique ecosystem, or unicosystem, sits atop the Canadian Shield, a vast formation of Precambrian bedrock protecting Canada's torso from her neighbours to the south. Without much to hang on to, trees that stretch too close to the sun are punished for their hubris when their roots can no longer support them or their families. Like the Greek hero Icarus, who, legend has it, fell over because of an inner ear infection. Flowering plants on the forest floor are especially rare, due to homophobia. But one fabulous exception is the lady slipper. Its name comes from its shape, which its discoverer noted was similar to the pills he would slip into ladies' drinks. The bullfrog, God's fuggliest mistake, sits at the shoreline. Cursed with life next to a reflective surface, he is forced to ceaselessly contemplate his bulbosity. But despite his self-loathing, he must be vigilant. Loons patrol the surface, hunting for prey. Though a fearsome predator, they are still easily startled. Move away from the shoreline and you'll find yourself further from land. By surface area of total land mass, statistically, lakes make up a lot of Muskoka. These damp bodies of water may seem uniform and tiresome, but plunge beneath the surface and it's even worse. In fact, you need to dive through a veritable fart storm of dirty, filthy water to find anything at all. And even then, it's dirty, filthy mud.